I am Janardhan, School Assistant Mathematics, Government High School Banjara Hills, Road number 7, Hyderabad. In this video, let us discuss relation between coefficients and zeros of cubic polynomial. Relation between coefficients and zeros of the quadratic polynomial already we learned. Once we recall it, we know that alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c is general form of quadratic polynomial. Then relation between the coefficients and zeros. First one is sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, that is equal to coefficient of x is equal to b minus b, and coefficient of x square is equal to a by a, and next relation is product of zeros alpha into beta, that is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square, that is equal to constant term here observe, that is c, by the coefficient of x square is equal to a, c by a. Now sum of the zeros is equal to minus b by a and product of zeros is equal to c by a. What is cubic polynomial? Now apply the same relation on cubic polynomial. Once think what is the cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. And then what is the general form of the cubic polynomial? General form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the general form of the cubic polynomial. Do you think the similar relation holds between the zeros of a cubic polynomial and its coefficients as well? So we learned about recall the relation between coefficients and zeros of quadratic polynomial, and the same it is apply or not, check it. So with an example we check the relation. Let us consider p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. This is a cubic polynomial. Zeros of this polynomial p of x are minus 2, 1 by 2 and 4. Whether these is the zeros are satisfied or not for this cubic polynomial, once we will check it. If x is equal to minus 2, substitute in the x place minus 2 is equal to 2 into x cube minus 2 cube minus 5 into x square minus 5 2 whole to the power of 2, 14 into minus 2 x plus 8. So whereas minus 2 cube is minus 2 is multiplied by 3 times, that is equal to minus 8, and again minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square means minus 2 is multiplied by 2 times, that is equal to 4. Now these values are substituted in this equation. So 2 into 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to minus 8, minus 5 into minus 2 whole square is equal to 4, plus minus into minus plus 14 into 2 is equal to 28 plus 8. So p of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 8 is minus 16, minus 5 into 4 minus 20 plus 28 plus 8. So p of minus 2 is equal to minus 36 plus 36, that is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 is a 0 of the given cubic polynomial. Now the same polynomial p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. So minus 2 is completed. Now we go for x 1 by 2. If x is equal to 1 by 2, substituted p of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube minus 5 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 14 into 1 by 5 plus 8. So 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So that is equal to, the numerators are multiplied 1 into 1 into 1 by the denominators 2 into 2 into 2. So that is equal to 1 by 8. Next, 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 into 1, and numerators are multiplied, denominators 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Now these values are substituted in this equation. So P of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube is equal to 1 by 8, minus 5 into 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4, minus 14, 2 ones are 2 7s are 14, that is equal to minus 7 plus 8. So this is equal to 2 ones are 2 4s are 1 by 4, 5 into 1 5 by 4 plus minus 7 plus 8 is equal to plus 1. So this is 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus 1. So now take LCM is 4. This is numerator 4, this will be the 1, minus 5 and plus denominator 1, take LCM 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So that is equal to 1 plus are added, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, minus 5, that is equal to 0. Now again take another one, 0. P of x is equal to 2x cube plus minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. Zeros of the polynomial, minus 2 is completed, 1 by 2, and now you take 4. X is equal to 4. P of 4, 2 into 4 cube, instead of x, 4 minus 5 into 4 square minus 14 into 4 plus 8. So this is 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4, 64, and 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Now substituted in this equation, 4 cube is equal to 64 and 4 square is equal to 16. So now this value will be 64 into 2 is 128, 16 5s are 8, minus 56, 14 4s are 56, 56 plus 8. So that is equal to 128 plus 8 minus 80 minus 56. 128 plus 8 is equal to 136. 180 minus 180 minus 56 minus 136. So this is 0, means all the 3 zeros are satisfied. P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. This is the cubic polynomial. Now the relation we can zeros of polynomial, minus 2, 1 by 2 and 4. So sum of its zeros, minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 4. This is equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. So in this previous, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square in quadratic polynomial. So now this is, take LCM is 2, minus 4 plus 1 plus 8. This is equal to coefficient of x square is equal to minus 5 and coefficient of x cube is equal to 2. So now simplification of this one is 8 plus 1 9, 9 minus 4 is 5 by 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 5 by 2. So this is satisfied, means sum of the zeros of a cubic polynomial is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Now P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. So zeros of polynomials, minus 2, 1 by 2 and 4. Product of zeros, minus 2 into 1 by 2 into 4, that is equal to minus constant term by coefficient of x cube. Similar property for cubic polynomial also. So now this is 2 will cancel. So minus 1 will be remain. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 4, that is equal to minus constant term is 8 by coefficient of x square, that is equal to 2, coefficient of x cube, that is equal to 2. So minus into plus minus 4, this is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are, minus 4 is equal to minus 4. Now p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square plus 14x plus 8. Now however, there is one more relationship is there, that is we already discussed sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Now consider the sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. So 2 zeros multiply and then sum, that is equal to zeros of the polynomial minus 2, 1 by 2 and 4. So 2 at a time multiplied by 2 at a time, 2 minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into 4. So this is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. So now this is equal to 2 get cancelled, minus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8, that is equal to coefficient of x is equal to minus 14 by coefficient of x cube is equal to 2. So now this is equal to minus 1 minus 8 minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7, that is equal to 2 1s are 2 7s are minus 7. So this relation also satisfied